Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. So in this new video I'd like to show you how I create this render. So using the Daz Studio mama with her like pretty face and okay. So it's really easy and let's do it. So first thing we need to add a basic Genesis 8 female. Then we have the Death Stranding mama, just we apply the head and the skin and the hair. Nice. So now we have this clothes. We go to Genesis 8 female clothing. It's called D-Force Casual Summer outfit, and I just select from this outfit this this part of clothes. It's not the dress, just this one. And I need to add another clothes for my character, and for that I have like a bikini here. I don't know exactly, so yeah, this one. Let's add this bikini, and I delete the basic clothes. And if you like to get my shapes for Genesis 8 female, you can get it from the link description. And after importing, you get with Genesis 8 female A shapes, and let's select one of these shapes, for example D or C or B or A. Okay, so D, C. I think C is good. Let's here change to NVIDIA AI to get an idea about what's happened here. Okay, nice. This is our character. Actually, this clothes is like D-Force clothes. And so the idea now is how to change this clothes and make it look like flag. Okay, so we select it, go to surfaces, click like that. And first thing to do, sorry, it's not the bikini, this one. Okay, so select it. So surfaces and select it. Actually, here we have the basic color, or the base color is actually the same color. We change it to be white, make it more white like that. Then we go and select, so let's see, click browse, and here I have, for example, some flags. Let's select the Argentina one, and boom, this is Argentina. Then okay, so before simulate I need to choose the pose, and here I have some poses. For example, let's see, for example, this pose. Let's fix the camera here, for example, like that. Okay, let's create a new camera with the same view of the perspective view. Let's use it actually here. Okay, let's see, something like that. So now actually I can simulate. So I just click simulation. I can click here clear before, so simulate and simulate to make simulation more easier. Okay, nice. Actually, we have a problem here with the bikini, but we can fix that with Photoshop. So when we see the render like that, it's not really attractive, it's not look realistic. Okay, so for that we need the light, and as always, if you like to get my light, my shapes, my presets, you can get it all from the link in the description. You can enjoy it. You can get the presets, you can get the light, the shapes, or you can enjoy the discount and get the presets and the lights, the same content, and enjoy 20% of discount. So here we have the light. Just apply it and let's rotate it, for example, to make it, for example, like 90%. Then let's use the trick of adding a new point light to add more shadow for our scene, just like that. So let's rotate now the light, let's make it like, for example, just like that. Okay, so let's click environment backdrop and make it black or any other color. Okay, let's come back to our camera So when you add the point light, your scene become black. Just click here and click Flamen. I really like how the Argentina flag looks like. It's look amazing. So now I just like to make my character look to the camera. So I change here to perspective view. Zoom, 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 zoom. I select the first eye, go to parameter. I show this trick so many times. Then camera and other videos. So I come back to camera and I like to fix my character to be more attractive. I don't know, something like that, for example, like that. Okay, so now finally, I don't know, maybe like that look attractive too, but I think zoom it like that. Okay, so then we can fix this problem with Photoshop. So now we need to add another things, like something's called DOF for the camera to make the portrait look more realistic. So just focus in her face, that, and just reduce it. Okay, something like that. To make some DOF here, can reduce more and more, something like that. Okay, come back to the camera, and I like to add like a chair here. So we go to props and let's look for something, for example, like that, and let's keep. Okay, let's keep this material. It's not a problem. We have other material, I think, black and white. Okay, so it's not a problem. Okay, it's look good. So we can add other details, for example, some nails, color for her nails, and can, for example, fix this problem here because you can see her finger how it looks like. So let's see. So her fingers look fake here, and we need to fix that just to make it something like that. To make it okay, let's see. Let's make it more. Let's see. It's not really, but okay, fine. So actually now I'd like to show you something. So we have here the Argentina flag, as you can see, and we can render, for example, like that or like that, and render like that also. Let's look at a good render like that. Okay. Oh, nice. So I just keep the camera. So, but you can also select this clothes like that and go to surfaces and change any other flag. It's not really important. So we can choose the Brazil one. Okay. You can see here we have like Brazil flag team, a soccer team for Brazil, and you can choose any other so flag, and you can do the same with the bikini also. So we select the top and the same option. Just here we change the black color to make it more white, and boom, we have it. So you can choose any flag, for example, or team logo or something. Okay, so but you keep in mind that the most important is the light and then the preset. So I'd like to show you the preset, what I mean by preset. So I can add here some accessories. I like this render, the camera too. It's looking really attractive. So I come back here, accessories. Let's zoom to see how it looks like. Okay, okay, nice. But I don't really like her finger how it looks like here. I just need to fix that to make it something like that. This is like a simple render, but it's look attractive. When I use the Death Stranding Mama is really attractive. And we can also use the DOF here. Just come back like that. And we select camera number 2 now and on, and just make it in her face. Something like that. You can see here the DOF the focus in her face. Let's make it more like that and like that. I think it's good. So now we just need to change here to texture shaded just, and let's click render. And if you like to know more about the render settings, you can just click in the video in the description to watch the video about best render settings. Just now I call it, for example, Brazil, and I just click render. So here we have it. This is our render with a good quality actually. So finally now we need to apply the presets, and let's use for example this preset from this render. You can see here without the preset and with the preset. Let's just copy the preset and let's import our render here in Lightroom. Okay, just copy. I think we need to change the some options here. Anyways, if you like to get all these presets here, we need to change the yellow color here. Okay. So if you like to get all these presets, you can get from the link in description. The light, also the shapes, and everything you can get from my ArtStation store. And okay, I think it's good like that. Let's see without the preset and with the preset. Okay, I think it's good. So finally, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we have all my projects in the link description. Enjoy rendering. See you in the next video. Ciao.